Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Leo. I am your host and English teacher, Leo. How is everyone feeling today? I am feeling incredibly energetic.
Hi, everyone. I'm Anna. I am feeling energetic too, Leo, but my mouth is feeling a little bit lazy today.
A lazy mouth? Well, Anna, you are in the right place, because today we are going to send your mouth to the gym.
The gym? For my mouth? Do I need to lift tiny weights with my tongue?
Not exactly, but we are going to talk about how to train your brain and mouth to speak English.
Oh, I need this. Sometimes I know the words in my head, but my mouth refuses to open.
It is a very common problem. So, to all our listeners, if you want to unlock your mouth and speak English easily, please click the subscribe button right now.
Yes, click like and stretch your mouth muscles. Let's get ready. Okay, so we know the problem is real. Now let's talk about why it happens.
So, Anna, tell me more about this lazy mouth problem.
Well, Leo, I watch English movies, I listen to English songs, I read English books. I understand almost everything. But when a foreigner says hello to me on the street, my brain says, say hello back. But my mouth says, bye.
You feel stuck.
Yes, stuck, like my mouth is glued shut. Why does this happen, Leo? Am I not smart enough?
No, Anna, it has nothing to do with being smart. It is a physical problem. Let me give you a comparison. Imagine you read a book about how to drive a car. You read it 10 times. You know all the rules, but you never sit in a real car. Can you drive?
Of course not. I would crash into a tree immediately.
Exactly. Speaking English is like driving a car. Your brain knows the rules, grammar and vocabulary, but your mouth needs physical practice. Your mouth is a muscle.
A muscle? Like my arm muscles?
Yes, when you speak your native language, your mouth muscles move in a specific way. English sounds are different. You need to train your mouth muscles to make new shapes.
Wow, that makes so much sense. I don't have a bad memory, I just have weak English muscles.
Yes, and the good news is muscles can grow. So now we understand the why. Next, let's talk about the how. Let's start training. So, how do we train these muscles? Step 1 is a powerful technique called shadowing.
Shadowing? Like Peter Pan and his shadow?
Yes, exactly like a shadow. A shadow follows you everywhere. In this technique, you follow the speaker. When you listen to an English podcast or video, you repeat what they say immediately.
Immediately? Like an echo?
Yes, let's practice. I will say a sentence, and you be my shadow. Ready? I will say, the weather is beautiful today.
The weather is beautiful today. Oh, I see. I just copy you.
Yes, but you don't just copy the words. You imitate the feelings and the rhythm.
Imitate. That means to copy exactly, right?
Correct. You imitate the pronunciation. You act like an actor. If I sound happy, you sound happy. If I sound sad, you sound sad. Even if you don't understand every single word, just keep making the sounds. This trains your mouth muscles. Okay, so step 1 is copying. Now we need a daily habit, something simple, something you can do anywhere, safely. Step 2, talk to yourself out loud.
Talk to myself? Leo, people will think I'm crazy if I walk in the supermarket saying, I am buying an apple. The apple is red. People will run away from me.
Okay, maybe don't do it in the supermarket. Do it at home. Your home is your safe zone.
So what do I say?
Use simple phrases. You don't need to talk about science or politics. Talk about your daily life. When you wake up, good morning, I'm ready. When you drink water, this water is cold. When you clean, I'm cleaning the table.
That sounds easy. I am sitting on the sofa. I am tired.
Yes, the goal is just to make noise in English. But the secret to this is consistency.
Consistency? What does that mean?
It means doing it regularly, every single day. Compare these two students. Student A studies English for 5 hours on Sunday, does nothing from Monday to Saturday. Student B speaks English for 5 minutes every single day. Who will be speaking better?
Student B, because they have consistency. Like going to the gym for 5 minutes every day is better than going once a month.
Exactly. 5 minutes a day builds a habit. So your mouth is training. Great. Now we train your brain too, because the brain is the boss. Now we trained the mouth. Let's train the brain. Step 3. Stop translating.
Stop translating? But if I don't translate from Vietnamese to English, how do I know what to say?
That is the problem, Anna. When you translate, your brain is doing double work. That makes you speak very slowly. You feel stuck.
That is exactly what I do. It's so slow. So what is the solution?
You must start thinking in English. Start small. Look at objects and think of their English names directly. Look at a cup, think cup. Feel hungry, think I'm hungry. Don't think in your language first.
Oh, I understand. Cut the middle step. Go direct.
Yes, it's like building a superhighway in your brain. At first, it's hard, but with consistency, your brain will adapt. Okay, one more step. This is not about grammar. This is about confidence and your voice. Finally, step 4. Embrace your voice.
Embrace? Like a hug?
Yes, it means to hug, but it also means to accept and love something. You must embrace your English voice.
But Leo, my accent is not perfect. I don't sound like an American or a British person. I sound like Anna.
And that is beautiful. Many students wait until their English is 100% perfect to start speaking, but perfection is a myth.
So it's okay to make mistakes?
It is necessary to make mistakes. The goal of language is communication, not perfection. If I understand you, you win.
I win. I like winning, so I should embrace my accent because it's part of who I am.
Exactly. Be proud of your voice. When you speak, your brain learns faster. Action creates fluency.
Wow, Leo, my brain feels full and my mouth is ready to exercise.
Great. Let's review our training plan for our listeners. What are the key points?
Okay, let's recap. Your mouth is a muscle. If you feel stuck, you just need physical practice. Use the shadowing technique. Imitate the speaker's voice and feelings. Talk to yourself at home using simple phrases. Consistency, 5 minutes every day, is the secret. Stop trying to translate. Start thinking directly in English. Look at a cup, think cup. Don't wait for perfection.
That is a perfect summary, Anna. 10 points for you.
Thank you. I'm going to talk to my cat in English tonight. Hello, cat. You are furry.
Talking to your cat is a great start.
Now we have a question for our amazing listeners. Question of the day.
Yes. Please tell us in the comments, what is one simple English phrase you will start saying to yourself every day?
For example, I am ready, or this coffee is good, or I'm tired, I need to sleep.
Write your phrase below. We want to read them.
And please like this video and subscribe to our channel to join our English gym.
Thank you for training with us today. Remember, your voice is beautiful.
Keep speaking, keep practicing. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you next time.